still haven't looked at the camera, I guess.
Hey guys, welcome back. So this has been a long time coming. The last video I posted was about 2 months ago, and motor was just dropped in. So the next few clips here are gonna be, there's no commentary or anything, it's just a bunch of stuff that I did to get the car ready. The exhaust being put in, cutting the bumper support to fit the intercooler, just kind of giving you a little bit of a rundown of all the things I did to get the 240 running. Alright, so without further ado, let's get this video started. Alright, so I mounted the intercooler with some galvanized steel brackets I had laying around. So now that's done. When I did mock up the bumper, I noticed that this was hitting right by the intercooler. So I'm going to see if I can trim that up a little bit and still utilize the bracket for the OEM fogs, because I do want to keep those. Kind of fix this, but before anything else, I feel like I sprayed this down. There is a crack on this bumper, so I do have epoxy and fiberglass sheet so that I can repair that. So yeah, let's tend to this first, if you guys can see that. Alright, so I went ahead and I kept this zip tie as well as the one at the bottom. That way she still remained in the general area that she's supposed to be here. And then when I'm gonna put epoxy as well as the fiberglass on this, and then when this is cured, I'll go back in here. I'll probably do the same thing right here, kind of the high stress points, so that way maybe even like towards the bottom right here, where it might hit the like a speed bump or something, maybe even in the corners. So I do have a lot of this material, so since I'm doing it now, I might as well reinforce this. Maybe eventually plan on getting an OEM lip, but since I still have this, might as well use it. So I'm actually going to take this outside, tighten this up so I don't get any water in here. But I'm going to get the garden hose and some degreaser, get this all nice and clean, maybe even a fresh coat of paint on the cover. Recording?
Yep.
Alright, I think I heard that. It was like one of the wrenches that fell down.
Don't get all my cat hair on me.
Okay. So I got this just in case. Got your seatbelt.
Seriously?
What do you mean seriously? You never can be too prepared. You never know. Yeah. Keys right here. So don't go super ham yet because we don't know how much we're boosting.
Is it in neutral, right?
Yeah. Those cams though. There you go. Make sure you pull it back all the way. Okay, that should be good. Just let go slowly.
Oh gosh, there's a backup camera.
What are you talking about? Backup camera.
Backup camera. Can't see anything.
Just start turning. All right, first drive. Ooh, she didn't kill it. I know, right?
Just like boost picks up so good.
Yeah. That sound though. That sound. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but it sounds so good.
That's why.
That's.
What's his name? Adam LZ's like, why have a blow-off valve when you could just have...
Yeah, just. Oh my god. Some fun stuff, right? I finally got this car going. I just wanted to update you guys on the interior. So I did install the Innovate gauges for air fuel and my boost. Those were actually sold to me by Daniel, who also sold me the motor. New cluster is in. Again, the whole reason why I even reached out to Daniel was because of this cluster. and kind of sparked the whole SR swap. So for right now, I am just using these generic Bosch gauges. I used them before on my drift builds, and they're mechanical gauges. You can't go wrong. Super inexpensive, and they don't look, you know, super bad. So they do the job. So I got volts, I got my water temp, and also the oil pressure. But yeah, whole interior is in. I borrowed a whole bunch of stuff from my car because the boot here online is like almost 200 bucks. So I'm borrowing it from my green one. And I also put my Nismo shifter on here. And I also went ahead and put my Sr20det steering wheel on this as well. Boss hub, so I do have some footage of me installing this. I think I'll make a separate video with the content that I got installing the Boss hub. I think the Boss hub is awesome, even compared to the NRG short hubs. The install and what it comes with to retain basically all the factory stuff, it's well worth the extra money to go with a Boss hub, a genuine. Sorry, I keep saying Boss hub. Genuine workspell hub. So I'll post that video shortly after this one. But yeah, so interior, yeah, it's complete now and everything looks good. I just need to clean it up because just need to vacuum it. Also came with, my green car came with the OEM floor mats, or I think they're reproduction floor mats. I want to keep this as OEM as possible, so if you look, everything looks really good on there. Let's open the hood here. Diving right into the engine bay. I did delete the clutch fan. It was super loud and super noisy. I wanted that extra space, so I went ahead and removed that. And right now I'm actually just using the factory AC fan, and I wired that into a Mishimoto fan controller. I went ahead and retained this, the ram air attachment here that usually goes into the factory air box. I kept that. I'm not sure if it actually works, but can't hurt. And also, I went ahead and upgraded the coil packs to R8 coil packs. And these are surprisingly nice and tight right onto the spark plugs without even a bracket. I eventually probably will get a bracket, but went a couple 100 miles with these on and no issues at all with it coming out or anything like that. But yeah, so I got my oil relocation kind of in a weird spot because I didn't really have much space over here on this side. I most likely will do something with the intercooler piping because got the stock one on this side and then the aftermarket one on here. Maybe paint both of those to match. Alright you guys, so that is the end of this video. I want to thank everybody so much for your continued support. Be prepared for more content and being able to take my time now to get this done and getting more videos out to you guys. So, alright, that's enough of me talking. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Later.
Recording.